For the first time in over a year, we are back out at Flagpole Knob in Virginia's George Washington National Forest. We've done a few videos at Flagpole Knob over the years, so when you get done with this one, check them out. Flagpole Knob is arguably Virginia's most popular off-roading trail, due in no small part to its outstanding views and the fact that you can do the trail in two-wheel drive. Union Springs, however, has a reputation for being the challenging approach to Flagpole Knob, and that's the route that we'll be taking today. Union Springs is the ideal place to learn how to navigate uneven, rocky terrain. The trail starts out as little more than a bumpy dirt road with the occasional water crossing, and eventually becomes more challenging as you move up in elevation. If you are enjoying this video, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's the best thing you can do to help us out and keep us going. Eventually, you'll start to encounter frequent muddy water crossings. Some of them can look a little daunting, but they really aren't that deep, and the risk of getting stuck is fairly low. That being said, play it smart. The depth of the water can be greatly affected by rainfall. As you ascend toward Meadow Knob, the trail will offer up its first rock obstacles. Now, before you comment and tell me that your Jeep on 37s can do it in two-wheel drive, remember I said this is a great trail for learning how to do this, not one that's going to challenge the seasoned off-roader. Did I mention that there is a lot of water on this trail? you've stuck around this long, why not go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel? It is greatly appreciated. Although not necessarily needed here, areas like this are great for learning how to use your locking differentials and disconnecting sway bars if you have them. Eventually, you're going to come to a clearing known as Meadow Knob. This area is an extremely popular campsite and offers outstanding views of the mountains around. It's also the perfect place to break out our new toy, our DJI Mavic Air 2S, aka Copernicus. After clearing Meadow Knob, the trail will become even wetter and rockier as you ascend towards the Flagpole Knob trail intersection. Once you clear the staircase, you're done with Union Springs. Now it's on to Flagpole Knob. After clearing the staircase and finishing Union Springs, you pick up Flagpole Knob near the intersection of the Dunkel Hollow leg. The trail from here on out is basic and can easily be done in two-wheel drive. I had hoped to use the summit of Flagpole Knob to get some more drone footage, but when we got up there was a family camping, so we shut our cameras down to afford them some privacy. Eventually we came to a small clearing on the trail and parked. We decided to send Copernicus up again. After a few minutes of checking the area out from the air, it was time to move on. We were burning daylight and still wanted to make Reddish Knob, because if you've got a drone, that is the place to put it in the air. And here's Reddish Knob. I'm just going to be quiet and let the view speak for itself. After taking in those breathtaking views for a while, it was time to head down off the mountain. I've been on this trail system more times than I can count, but the views out here never get old. If you've never been out here before, it is definitely worth putting on your list of places to check out. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and check the video description for a link to our production fund and consider kicking in a little bit. Remember, our channel is completely funded by you. Until next time, thanks for tuning in.